All right, recently the C# extension for VS Code broke IntelliSense for CSX, C# script files, but there's a way to get it back. And so let me show you what I mean. You might not notice it at first. You can kind of hover over some things and this looks proper. Hovering over this, that does not look proper. If you go runner dots, nothing comes up here. This is where you start to notice that there's an issue. So if you follow our old instructions, you open up the command palette, and you type in Omni, where are you? Anyway, so that's confusing, but I found it on their GitHub. It's a pretty easy workaround. Just open up extensions, search for C#, give it a second. If you have the C# dev kit, you'll have to uninstall that. So click on here, click on regular extension settings, then type in Omni, here we go. And then all we gotta do is go back to what was there before. Click that, it says restart language server, and now all we have to do is restart VS Code. So you can close it and reopen it. I'm gonna go Control-Shift-P and go reload window. Actually, you can see it right there. OmniSharp is back. Oh no, I crashed and I'm an idiot. Okay, shouldn't have done that. I will just go developer reload window instead. Or close and reopen it. So if we give it a second, so it's interesting, while OmniSharp is starting, or before it's starting, you have one kind of IntelliSense kind of capability. After it started, you can see it trying to start down here. Starting OmniSharp server. OmniSharp server is running. And now, get proper stuff, our proper IntelliSense. So now we can go runner settings dots, whatever we want to do. Draw.io settings, check for bad blah equals false. Maybe we want to disable that for some reason. Anyways, that's how we get IntelliSense back. It would have been nice if they didn't break the C# script files functionality, or at least warn people or something. I've linked, here's the upstream issue in VS Code C#, their issues. Somebody opened it in another ticket. They took a look at it. Still underworks. I added a set of googly eyes watching it because I'm hoping they fix this at some point. We no longer need a workaround, but yeah. So we're tracking it upstream, ticket in Statesmith, and hopefully that stops people from getting hung up on it. All right, thanks, and sorry for the problem.